la. What's happening? Look, it's your man, Big Sam. I'm here on the set of I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. I'm gonna look down so I don't fall down these steps, you know what I'm talking about? So we're here at the New Hazlitt Theater. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing is going on right now. Y'all need to get here this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Come check us out. What we're about to do is we're gonna go behind the scenes and do some interviews with some of the cast. Check us out.
I'm the best that ever done it. Pow, pow. That's my title and I won it. Pow, pow. I ain't lying, I'm the best. Pow, pow. Come and put me to the test. Pow, pow.
Hello, I am Sam Lothar. I play Uncle Willie and a host of other characters in Dr. Maya Angelou's stage adaptation of I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. You guys really need to come see this play. Dr. Maya Angelou, I shouldn't have to tell you anything more than that. A lot of you have read the book, so you really should come and check the play out and see how we've taken it from the pages and put it on the stages.
You can give it to your sister.
I'm Linda Kangarosoke. I play Maya, older Maya. It's very important to be doing this play because it can really give a strong message to a lot of people coming from all different backgrounds, whether they knew Dr. Angelou's story beforehand or not.
Dr. Maya Angelou has definitely been an inspiration for me. I first learned her in 8th grade, learning the poem Phenomenal Woman. And she has definitely just been an inspiration in me as a young poet, as a young actor, and just as a black woman of power. She has inspired me.
We have Montez Freeland, who's the director of the play. He was the performer of the year last year. Phenomenal director, amongst other things.
Montez is a beast. I mean, that guy can work any room that he's in. His ability to lift the text off of the page and give it actual life and a deeper meaning beyond just the page intention is unlike anybody that I've ever seen.
Working with Montez was awesome. Actually, I've known Montez for some time now. Never worked on him with a project, but being able to be in this experience and get an idea of his vision, like what goes on in his head, I had no idea we were about to walk into what we walked into. It's been amazing.
It is a fun show, and it exemplifies the life of Maya and Dr. Maya Angelou. Sorry about that.
The fact that we all come together and do this every day, we lean on each other. Literally, I said just the other day about throwing a ball up into the air. We keep that going with one another, and I think that's what keeps the show strong, is us being aware and present with each other on stage every night.
And we grew together as a family throughout the rehearsal process. That really made the contributions of each actor really stand out, because you can really see the intentions and the love that we all have for each other.
We're filming them.
Are you filming?
Can you tell me what's your name and what characters you play?
My name is Roxy Louise Robinson, and I play Mother Dear, the beautiful Mother Dear. And I play the beautiful Mrs. Cullen as well, and Mrs. Fox. And I look like a morning flower.
How does it feel to not be allowed in Wakanda?
Well, because I'm so light-skinned, I've been told that I'll be hunted at the gate. So, what'd you say?
There's a nigger.
You should definitely come check it out, because it is a game changer. Like, it's just, Maya herself is just dope. And so to be able to put her words into live action is an honor.
It's a family show. Everybody will get something out of it.
So once again, your man Big Sam, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, this weekend at the New Hazlitt Theater. Peace.
Pow. That's my title and I won it. Pow, pow. I ain't lying, I'm the best. Pow, pow. Come and put me to the test. Pow, pow.